This is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. If you keep getting denied for bank accounts, it's probably not your credit. It's ChexSystems, and today I'm going to explain what it is and the correct way to structure banks so it doesn't stop you. What ChexSystems actually is. ChexSystems is a consumer reporting agency, but it doesn't track credit cards or loans. It tracks checking account behavior. Things like overdrafts, unpaid bank fees, closed accounts, fraud flags. So you can have good credit and still be blocked from opening a checking account. Why checking accounts cause problems. Here's the key thing most people miss. When you apply for a checking account, banks usually run ChexSystems immediately. So if you're flagged, you get denied before the relationship even starts. That's the mistake. The correct banking order. If your goal is to open banks and build your structure correctly, this is the smarter order. Step 1. Open a savings account. Savings accounts usually do not trigger ChexSystems. This gets you into the bank's system safely. You become a member without friction. Step 2. Open all other products first. Before checking, you focus on savings growth, secured or pledge-style loans, money market accounts, any collateral-based products. This builds depth, and depth builds trust. Step 3. Let the relationship age. Time plus product usage tells the bank, this person is established. You're no longer a stranger. Step 4. Open checking last. Only after the relationship is built do you open checking. At that point, even if ChexSystems is involved, you're already inside the bank. And the odds are much better. Why this strategy works. Banks don't just approve accounts, they approve profiles. When they see savings, loans, balances, and time, you look lower risk. That's how you bypass problems without fighting the system directly. Important clarification. This doesn't delete ChexSystems. And it doesn't mean ChexSystems doesn't matter. It means you're structuring your banking intelligently. Who this applies to? This applies to credit unions, traditional banks, online banks. If checking accounts keep stopping you, this order matters. In the next video, we will go back to PenFed Credit Union. Subscribe and stay tuned. We're building leverage, not guessing. This is Wealth Hacks 360.